Welcome back to Toga TV. If it's your first time watching, click that subscribe button down below and please like the video because this movie is a banger. I want you all watch it to the end and understand this is the way our life set. This is a lesson, so I want to watch this to the fullest end. At this point, I don't start edit movie yet, so I don't know name yet. So if you know any name on the sip on the title, just know say this is a bang, alright? So big up to all the people that are out there. Give thanks. Hope everybody alright, hope everybody go up on a straight path. You understand? So give thanks. Watch a movie and tell me what I do in the comment section, alright? Big up.
Yeah. May I go on the road now?
Yeah, go do again.
First, I'm gonna look at job. You don't live like this.
Oh, hold on there before you go in. This year I don't know, so right now one more, isn't it? So
Look here.
one more, you know.
Stop this, look here.
Yo, me don't talk. Let's go on here. Let's go on here, no cause
If you can't find food, you're gonna find
Yo, me said that I done, so make
You
sure
mean
me
to
get
tell me
one.
you come out of the bed, just sit.
Hello, me asleep right now, no disturb me. Just go on and come back, cause me not even get no breakfast at it.
Tell me big girl up on the bed. I know you mean you talk.
What do you mean? Who are you in? Who are you in?
I'm my trash.
Which matcha? Me swap it, hey. I told me no one hurt you.
Look here, look here.
Yo, better you hurry up and go on
Mr.
here,
Tony,
okay?
my trash big it and broke it better.
You said two you're big. Stop tell me lie.
Sorry.
Yo, stop laughing with me. Me a talk to you. Stop laughing with me. Take your smile off your face. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe off your smile off your face.
Stop now.
Yo, go on here, man. Can you see you?
Mouth stink. Yeah. Good news. You know, to look up on the road, want to get a job.
You get a job?
Yes.
What kind of job that? I just wake up finally this morning. Like, just wake up.
Work in a one shop.
What kind of shop?
Like we sell grocery and stuff.
Mm.
So basically, when we get the first paycheck or so, we're going to try to put down money to save towards college.
Where I put money for doing?
Save towards college.
So you still go to college?
Yes, me I go.
So if you go to college, when you go to college, you still don't need money.
Yeah.
So, I don't understand.
So what happened to you? You now get a job?
No, some good money.
What you mean?
If you work, come here work for.
How am I fend for the 2 away and me I go in a partner?
So how you going a partner and me no know nothing with this?
No, you don't understand.
To go in a partner, this a foolishness, you know. To save money to go to college, this a foolishness, you know. So we are not wait. When you go save all of your college money, me I go there dead for hungry because you not go care about me. Because you go there go to college, so all your money are going to college.
Hello, me ask you a question
And
now,
partner,
Mr. Sir.
me not important. You
What you
put
mean?
partner and college over me.
What if me never get a job? How would I name? Eh? Me ask you a question now. You want to find a job? And you are the man, and you supposed to go out there go look a job for the 2 hours. You want me go there go work my money and come there come feed you. You just catch up in the bed and
So wrong
me
with
if
that?
you wash, me if you cook, me if you clean, if you go out the road.
So what's wrong with that? Eh? Why if you go out there go help feed 2 hours?
But what you?
Calm down yourself, man, and stop around with me here.
You know what I'm saying?
Turn up right now so me and
Let
talk
me
to you.
go.
Me and talk to you. Turn up right now.
Hello, let me go and stop it.
You have to mind me in this, that me I tell you. You know done all of your money in a college business, cause that's not necessary right now. Me necessary. Learn that.
So me necessary too?
Hello, me say, learn that and stop giving me argument. I'm gonna talk for come out of my side too.
I don't me there.
Come out of my
Me
side. Stop it talking now, come out of my
stay
side.
in your side.
What me say? Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Stop here. Hey. Think man, me important more than all of them foolishness that we are.
Hold on, guys. When I gotta work. Well, I want to go going over my yard. Alright, I get to work this morning, right? And I turn to my boyfriend and tell him, say, me get the job. But I want to go in a partner to save my money towards college. But him started to cuss me on a chat about how with him I go eat and one bag so I use all of the money for college. Him not want to look work, but he want me go there go fend for the 2 hours. And then something wrong. And him a the man, him supposed to go out there and stand up strong and say, yeah, me make some money. You want me go there go work out myself, come back and do everything in the yard and him not do nothing. But I'm like, me fed up, I don't know what else to do here, man. I want to go to college and I don't even know. Because I want to go college, go further my education, because I can't just leave high school like this and not have a steady job or anything. I can't just have some loose job out there like that.
Well, the best advice I can give still, girl. You see, these men nowadays, them not really want nothing for you. So you have to just do your thing by yourself and no say. You have to further your thing by yourself. Because all them men nowadays are just sex. So best thing you can do is just go to school and do your thing by yourself without a man to help you and so.
Well, I understand what you're trying to say. That are the same thing me I say, right? But him might take it the wrong way. Imagine him have a little quarter back of Hennessy from the jester. Boy, come and tell me about that they are done for one new one. What the hell if you get money from to buy about new Hennessy put in there? In now we buy food at Hennessy you want free pan. Hennessy can full belly. If you don't name not ever drink Hennessy, might as well turn over down there. You don't understand nothing about life. I don't know what else to do as I said before. More often know if you just lose a relationship or just continue with it and just take all that bullshit them and me and get ready.
Girl, I will feels it, knows it, but you have to decide what you are doing, girl. So the best thing you do, you just make sure say you further your education and do what you have to do. You understand?
Yeah.
But you have to know what you are to still, girl.
So I got some of my friends I can talk to still about all of them stuff here to give me a positive advice towards what I do. Because I'm stressed out right now and I don't know if you do. I'm stressed out bad. So thanks for the advice, like you said before. Thanks very much.
Yeah, man, me and your friend, me have to just give you the right advice. Do the right thing, you know, girl. That's what friend is for. So.
Alright then, give me a hug and I'll leave it, okay?
Alright, so take care of yourself. You know,
Alright, take care. Later, yeah? Alright. Yeah.
Alright, Michaela, you will know ever.
Yeah.
Where you go around go do?
Oh, my friend will go.
Where you go with your friend go do?
Don't look fair like always.
Look fair like always. So your friend can cook?
Yeah, she can cook.
I eat that to take me for something.
You ask me friend can cook and me tell her she can't cook. What else I want me to do?
And that me mean. Me and say time you over your friend. Yesterday you saw cook something for me eat. So what me you come back in and empty and your 2 phone in your hand. Me think you're gone the road and get something for
But
dinner.
that 2 phone me left her with, that 2 phone me come back with.
My girl, let me tell you this, man. You see, you have to go out there and make sure it's set. Anytime you tell us you want something, you get that for me. Right now, I'm hungry.
So me not hungry too.
So
You
if
always
you're gone over your friend gone to then if
you
you're
drink
hungry.
Hennessy for tea, so drink if it
I will might take you anything and give you one lick in your forehead with it. Eh? You see your forehead big, me swell up you more. Stop around with me here. Me don't know what kind of foolishness you say you go take up your little E that work Christian work. Come on to you, man. A big work you fear do and I collect big money. And make sure some man can get a 3 buckle Hennessy for a day. 3 buckle Hennessy man for you get a day. Braff in style.
So if me can't buy food that Hennessy me I can't buy?
Eh? The time you take a buy, I put on money and pay a partner for college. Where you going to learn?
Me need to
I
further
fully
me-
Jamal me saying, done so. I want to.
You say done so, but me not say done so.
Yo, you don't say I played me though. You
Me need to further my education and me not make no man stop that.
done so. We don't want education. You know see whole place done. Every little 2-year-old baby I said done. So when I done, me I not even know what to say.
Me you not fear deal with me so. At least me get a work for you 2 hours and you know you
It's a benefit me.
You just snap and you lazy sick.
That a benefit me.
No.
That way I do a benefit me.
No theory.
That way I do a benefit me. No you talk to me here. Stop playing with me, come in and run certain joke, you know.
Me try to get something for you.
Make sure, come in and run certain joke. You will get any buckle in your face if me not get nothing.
You want cream crackers?
Cream crackers can fool my belly.
Me don't know.
Hey girl, if I will sell you, have to sell your front for man get something and that you have to do. Here.
I got give one next month then.
Yo,
Did you just say?
a tear if you try to tear money off a man. Me not tell you to go give money a front.
You want curry chicken?
A that man want. Big meal man for your consume a night time.
I'm trying to get it.
My friend them a live chopper life, man for you live chopper life too. I want to you man.
But a friend them a work for their chopper life and I work for your chopper life.
Yo, that's come on.
Oh, come on.
Now go get to you if you get. Make sure say on the front you will give the money now.
But the thing
Make
is
sure say you pimp money and find man and give me a front.
But the time I say if I sell me go sell me front, and that you say, so what you tell me, are you telling me that you sell me go sell me
Oh, no,
front?
do it now and see where you get.
Then you tell me if you go
Do it
sell me.
now and see where you
So
get.
what you have problem enough me go
Yo,
sell
just
me?
do what you do and make sure something gets. Me no matter what you want to do. Just make sure say something come back in and me get for consume. Here. Move fast. Move man. You move too slow. Move man.
God damn it.
Move now.
Bro.
You look about that years man. Yo.
I don't even know how I'm gonna get money if I gotta work tomorrow morning. Let me get a call. Call my friend there. Well, go on, girl. No man, I know so me there. I wanna go think me a call upon you know. Me not have no money for go work a morning. I me there ask to say if I could lend me a money until me get pay me pay you back. Me not have no money none at all. Me I beg you do, please. Alright, thanks. But you're a good friend, you know. Alright, then me I come for you now. Alright. My friend, that's enough. You ever want to sit down?
My friend.
I'm money me come collect when you say you have something there. I don't know.
Alright, you know say a 3 grand me have.
Oh, children, that alright, man. Okay.
Because me have some hills and some other things to do so. See what this can do for you. See.
Alright then, thanks. I really appreciate it. I do a lot for me right now. Because I don't have food in the house, I don't have nothing. I don't know how much I got to work a morning. Because the boy over there still has stress me out. I don't know what I said with him, yeah, man. I feel like no one left him, but it's just hard. Can't find the next man right now with them at time. My heart bad. Really, really hard. So, really grateful for your money still. As soon as I get paid, I pay you back. As soon as.
Girl, as you get paid, make sure say me I first mad you check, you know. Cause when it comes to money, me not play with me money, you know. So make sure say as I get paid, you link me first.
Even as I get paid, so you first me a link. I might even go over my yard because if I go over my yard, man, I want buy this and that. I might just get money and go shell off this. So if I go to stop over here first, get your children, then I go over. I might as well go hide some of the money too. Because I'm always spend off everything. You don't know nothing about savings, you know. Can I type out how him grow? I feel just drink. Drink. But thanks to money once again, I have to go over before he come back in our yard and start cuss. Can't take
Alright.
the main.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
alright, let's come on.
Where you come from?
My friend may come from. I go borrow money from her to go and work on morning.
I mean I go borrow money. You know how long me there? I'm not see none at all. So which part you did the whole time?
My friend may go borrow money. So I can't fall off his so.
Because if you get it, that's why I fall it.
If you look a simple thing, you leave me over.
Because you go with your friend, if you call me know say you go with your friend.
I never have no credit.
Take your phone, your friend's phone and call me. What you
Never
do?
have no credit either.
Well, no go over there then.
Yeah. And the money me call her ask her me can borrow from her, me go over there go collect it, that's all. And you have problem with that.
So how you know say your friend over here? Eh? How you know say your friend over here if you go over there?
No. Me.
Stop telling me lie.
No lie.
How you know say your friend over there if you go over there?
Me did. She did.
You did it. Tap, I want you, man. You did. Miss you. You hold up your face, come on. How much money is it?
$3,000.
Yo, man, I'm going to go about you,
Take me
man.
taxi fare and me lunch.
Yo, go on. Now I want some front then.
Stop.
I want some front. I want some front.
No.
Yo,
No.
did I give my front?
Let's look at.
Watch it.
No,
If you don't
I.
want to give me some money, you give me that.
Don't. Alright, come in.
So I beg me if you beg feet.
No.
Eh?
Give me a kiss.
No, it's a bad man.
Give me a kiss now. I'm gonna work on something. No. Right, that's how I put money. Yo, me not like their foolishness there, no man. I can't offer me money and I go through them as here. And just like, you know. Hello?
Morning.
Morning, which part of day?
They're on the road with the dogs and
With the dogs them? How my money want put on the register?
my money or your money, what me I do with it?
And my money about which part of day?
So what me that they do with it?
And me and you alone in the house.
So me know where you put the money. I must last year.
You see when time we put on the money last night?
You see when me see.
Just come the money.
No way I deal with my girl, because I'm there in front of my friend and right now me come over there and shut the $2. Yes, me thief money.
No, just come down and be able to get it. And last one me have to go work. How me I go reach
Matter
at
of fact,
work?
me take it to me not even know how you reach your work, but make sure if you reach your work, we gonna make more money. That's all I have to say.
Oh, me can't live like this. How me
The
I
business
reach?
how you wanna live.
So
Just
for
make
the
sure
bum-
that me have food in the house.
What for the bum drive go work?
If you boom job, you boom $2 in your face.
No, I instead do $30.
Walk or something.
I want to $30 loan for the just. When you gonna take it $30 if you take some of my money, you take all of it.
Yo, don't let me come see you over there now, you know. That me I tell you to you. Here, make sure say, yo, me I give you 20 minutes. Make sure say me come down your workplace, I down there.
How
Then
far?
me shut the $2 in front of the people and down there too. Yo, matter of fact, come off your phone and go do it now. No.
That's I can't be it. I'm going to do my wash my face right by. No, I else to do.
Oh, go on. Long time I don't see you.
There, man, I deal with G.
There, go on, easy, man. Take care of that thing, you know?
So I deal differently.
But if I hope me I come over and say me I go walk come over.
You're lucky my friend working enough for me.
What do you mean by walking up here?
I'm a
Everybody-
woman, yo, I'm a woman who can't carry money, can't give me. I know work, man, I know for me think that, man.
But by right, everybody will work.
What do you mean by right, everybody for work?
No, that's just on the head. No record.
At that, me not make no work stress me out, you know. Me not put out my 100% in a work. And then me not get the right amount of money. So my woman
oh, no
go out
parent.
and work. No worry about how we parent. I see you do all of that, me not do nothing. More than the sex her and shot her $2 and ready.
So I say you want to live.
Then I want me to live then. Sometimes I
So
feel
you
like a
expect to
kid.
get money in your pocket.
So no money, so she give me money in my pocket. I'm like, you know, listen. All this, I think I may buy.
So, you don't think she have to go back to school? You know, go back to school.
Right now, he can't go back to school and I'm and then I tell him say all of them college money when I see
Education
me I forget that.
first.
My youth come out of my life. Me I have friends so much years.
No, me
But
not
don't
come in
intervene in my life. When me tell you one something, don't grow on it. Just listen to me have to say. And I talk if you're not nothing good to say. You understand? Me say one something, you just listen if you're not nothing. So not tell me nothing about education. I done so. What is right on this? I not even know which word this. I just know say this is a color again, it's like a yellow. But that does so still.
Listen me not come in your business, but I ask. That's the right way. Say, if she go to school, she go back to college.
So when she go to college, how that go benefit me? When she go to college, me I get money?
You know go work, me can't work over.
Me no wanna work. Me not work for nobody. A people work for me. Right now, me I send her to go do all of this. That I carry money come to me. So you come at different. So you come for fast and my business. You come for talk and
Check me
everything.
come check your
I years me not see him, man. I deal with man.
There, man, I'm
Real
going
man.
on. But you work.
Man, you listen, you just go on here. Cause right now me feel like you diss me, you know, you. If you talk about work, better just cut me and for your friendship, you know. I'll me have friends for years, you know. Me don't want to hear nothing about no work, Godfather. I want to hear, man. Talk to me about give me some bad bitches. You want to give me some woman?
We want more woman, but you don't have one woman already.
I put one more in my bed and she have to just take that. Because some road, I tell you I'm run anyway.
Well, me not no woman, you know.
Brother, go on there, man, because I feel like y'all are this. Me, I'll come here and chat off your mouth and I'll come and say, yo, see a 5 grand. Go on, my youth. If you don't have money, yo, go on, my youth.
You know, when me left here.
Go on, man. Go on, man. Go on, man. Go on. You come and play for you now, money. A long time you don't see me and I carry money, come give me, man. You come here and I come chat and I run off your mouth and I tell me what to do with my life. Now come back here if you don't have nothing good for say youth. I'm a talk about me even want a friend from you to boy. I live if you live up front for you to hear that. I'm to your boy. Yo, lift up front. On to the boy, man. I know say I done the business. So I'm not even like better go now, yeah. You may have come for you. Because I wonder if I'm 5 o'clock you left for a 5:52 now, you know.
Yeah, so I have to walk.
Yo, at least if you take for walk, come up here, you know. For 15 minutes, you know.
Yeah,
I'm at half for 10 minutes too.
You can't walk so fast.
Well, you have to go walk fast. Matter of fact, for my boy come up, not for my boy again. And I can't talk about you go to college. Me no don't talk about college business already, I tell you for you now. So how you people out the road and I talk about you go to college? You tell people say you go to college, say everything we talk you carry go to road. So how the man know say you go to college? Eh? Come right there, son, I talk to you. Come right there, son, I talk. Stand right there, son. So how the man know say you go to college? And me tell him?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe? So who tell him? My business with the college business. You can't go to college.
Me and friend, they're not even communicate.
So how the hell you know? You telling woman or something?
No.
So how you know?
Maybe no.
Maybe you don't know. Yo, more while man just want to do some crazy something, you know, you boy say I don't want to hurt you. And that more while save you, you know. Stop it like you eat that. You hear me I tell you? I'm here chat to you, turn up right or something. Yo, I'm matter of fact, go look about some dinner for me before you bathe and do you do. Move fast, me no business. Move fast. Move fast. And if you make up your face, you get 1 box in your face.
Going.
I tell you one something already, Charlie.
Hey, I'm going to take that serious. I'm going to have it.
You the style, you know.
Man, I'm bridging that. Relax.
You mean me, I'm bridging?
You leave me
You
hanging,
don't trust people, you know, people will come and kill you, you know. We have fun.
You mean, man, I don't have nothing for me then. Will that come to kill my friend? You don't have nothing for me.
We are saying.
You don't want to change. Okay, I feel. Because you feel like I'm this, you know. Because I'm really bridging. I found the younger days you are far from back stuff and man. You are far from. You remember the days?
Remember everything, man, but sometimes some people change, so.
But not change. I just go and chat to that, but anyway, forget about that. See. You see.
Yo, how you take me for? Me look like a stripper.
Daddy.
Hey boy, you think me a stripper? You think a girl them this so you get them look hey boy, you the man? Me look like American club boy. You put look money for girl.
Me just a give a thing put
You this man, all this and hey boy, go buy a dog feeding with that man. I go and find a little stripper money. Ungrateful what?
Last time I come over here the other day, you say you want money. And me carry a thing now to put in it.
What that mean?
$50.
Well, hey boy, me I need $50.
You buy a juice.
Go buy a dog feeding with that man and move friends man.
Alright,
You, move friends for me lick that out your hand to you. You know, so me feel like a this year this me to you.
What this year?
You are this me you.
You come
You can't come and give big man $50 dog.
Me give you look, so me
Brother,
can't
just go on here. Go on here. Go on here, yeah, no
Not
brother.
one grateful. Me come over here, imagine.
Hey boy,
Me
go
never
give your man
carry
here,
this
that
cup.
man. Everybody want to weak to you.
Me
Give your
never
man
carry
here.
this
Brother,
cup,
just go on here. Me no want no money from him. Me tell you something I dead for you. Go on here, yeah.
You see me get crazy over here today.
Get which crazy. Where you go do about it? Where you go do about it? Go on here, yeah, dude.
It's one
Not even my woman that carry $50 come give me.
No, me
I have
far.
to carry $50 give me.
Come here, give $50.
Who not go far?
For
Are you not go far, boy? You want
You
bet you
not
no
go
live to
far.
tomorrow?
What you gonna do? Alright.
You want bet?
Yeah. You know, matter of fact, too, me and a friend killer. So if you want to kill me, kill me. Me and a friend killer.
Me not go listen to what you
You
say.
want to kill me, kill
Me
me.
not listen to what you say.
Me and a friend
Me
killer.
not listen to what you say, cause me not make you fire first in the air.
Even better. Yes, sir. We care something from work for you.
What up?
It's a surprise. You're gonna love it. Give me a hug. Yeah. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Can I close I think I tell Batman say?
A surprise.
Me turn on me head.
Alright, turn my head then. Don't look. Don't look. Oh. We bring them here from work for you. Well, them here kind of steal, but they can hurt my drink.
Oh yeah, good little dirty shiny boy good time. Where you take man for?
Be afraid.
Yo, take them off my bed, come on. I tell you something drink red stripe.
You can't do that.
Yo, take them off my bed and care about your little shiny boy things and go down so. I tell you some more shiny man things.
You can't.
Oh, you get to carry a China man good them come at them.
Because in Canada still, so they give.
So we are get that.
Then give staff them meat. Me say you like.
Go feed your family with it. I will give food for the poor.
But the poor, I need food. No, baby. No, baby.
You know, say all the while me feel like you take me for clone or something do with you.
Sorry.
I'm tell you something, stop laugh up with them. Because when I laugh up with you, you feel like you can say certain things to me in you. Don't run no joke with me, I don't run joke. Look for me good, you always me serious. Look for me, I chat to you. I don't want to see them in your house, I don't feel that. I don't feel us, I don't want them in it.
I'm hard and drink them then.
Me look like me hungry for red stripe. I ain't see me thing there.
Me can't afford a stripe.
Well, go give food for the poor that man or carry your family go give them. Let go something to you. You give your family them, your family with their country, you give them hungry more than me.
Don't talk to my family them like that.
Let go from where you go about it?
Don't talk.
Where you go about it? You do something about it?
Mom, I don't like when I talk about my family.
Me say
them
shut
bad.
up, you do something about it? Shut up my youth.
I don't know, me get peer.
Get what?
Peer.
What?
Peer.
Pay. So my money.
You must have been pay a partner.
Pay which partner?
I put 5 grand in a partner and the other 5 grand me buy things put in our house.
Me ask you something, come here. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Hold on now, let me ask you something. Me did tell you to pay a partner. Oh yeah, go be a back and a pay a partner. Me did tell you to pay it.
I tell already so many money have to pay.
Me tell you if you not pay, me not tell you that other day. Go back for your money from the partner, woman. Every money where you pay, you go back for it.
I already give already, I can't take it back.
You already give me, can't take it back. Me will go down there go take it back. So you actually tell me, say you pay a partner for your college fee. Yeah. When me go eat, how me go get Hennessy? How me get food for consume?
But my college better than Hennessy.
Better than what? Better than what? No you talk to me, girl. No you talk to me. Don't play with me here. You can't take me for clown at this, you know. A badness me deal with the hair. I'm gonna run certain joke you to stop run certain joke with me. Cause you're going like some man a clown.
And if landlord he come here.
Which landlord come here?
For money, man.
So what you say?
I want him money.
So how much want rent you owe?
3.
You better go back for every rotted money where you pay for college fee and pay off the rent then of this. No too. No!
5 grand can't.
How much money you pay down there?
5 grand.
I know 5 grand. And more than 1 week you work now. Go for all of that and now I'm paying money.
Can't do it. No, I can't be this.
Yo, listen me I say.
Can't do it.
Listen me I say now. And ask me saying now tell me I tell you to get that done now.
Money can't go get back.
You.
No,
You want me to carry good on my partner man? No, I'm making you want to give me back. Come on, me pay good on.
No, if you look like an ear, then me go down there. No, I'm not want to go down. I'm going to shame me.
Yo, give me money. Give me money.
We can't get half.
Give which half?
No.
Give me money.
Please, no, me can't work all that money.
Give me money.
No, me can't.
Give me money. Yo, may I go on the road and come back in?
No, but I can't just give me back 1,000.
May I go on the road and come back?
Give me 5 minutes out there.
You can't have
No money left back.
No business where you have left back.
Please, no man.
Don't go behind my order, boy, you have to pay for college. Don't do that, man. Let
You
go.
cannot be a beggar, please. Just come, no man.
Yo, stop begging me no money and baby. Let go from my shirt
No,
now.
no, no.
Let go from my shirt now. You buy my shirt them. Where you hold on for it? Let you do one man.
But I'm going to give you money.
Talk and make nobody hear. Talk and make nobody hear say I give me money. Talk out here again now. And see if you slap you in your face to the money too.
You treat me too bad and me have mine, yo.
Me no business. You want money, mine, man.
You want woman if you mine, woman. No, look at the split that dick.
Yo, move,
That's
move.
$1,000.
Move.
Just at least give me 1,000. I don't like you. I can't take this. No, not an ended. Auntie, I want to flavor me did ask him. I got to a little difficulty and I don't know how me I go sort out. I just say that if I can't give me a money, please. If I can just send me a money. I have a lot of bills to pay. I have rent to pay. The landlord wants money. I have nothing in the house to eat. And it's really rough for Jamaica. It's really rough, bad. No, it's rough, bad. I don't know what to do. I beg you, please. Alright then. Thanks. Thanks very much. Yes, Auntie, thanks. Take care, okay? Alright. Yeah, have a nice day. Okay. gonna walk right now. Right now. I can't be able to go. Me go. Babe. I gotta work here. Here. Babe. Jump up to your sleep so far.
Oh yeah, Dina, my youth. I'm working for this.
That's what we talk to you about.
Yeah, talking about now.
You lose the job.
Lose what?
Stop.
Lose this job.
If people them must hear something I come and work too late and it seems that I'm not serious about the job, so they just fire me and hire somebody else.
Yo, listen man. Me a bad man, me do couple channel business, you know. So if you a prank, you try to prank me. No bother with this. There, how you can murder? Let me know lose job. Stop talk foolishness to me, youth. A couple channel business you want to do.
So lose the job.
Lose what kind of job? You see, if you lose the job, you know what you are going to know.
What?
If you lose the job, you can't turn in there.
You mean me can't? I'm my house.
Me no business.
And me I pay the bills them.
I don't care if you lose your job, you lose the house too. Unless you have to go left too.
And you feel left because of my place. And you...
And when me say goes, I know where you say goes.
But of my place.
Alright, you want to see me serious?
No.
Alright.
How you do?
Come.
No.
Come, all the things that come out of you.
No, me no want.
Alright, you don't have to listen to them. You don't have to listen to them then.
No. Me no. No.
Let's go start a new life. Just go on.
But I might be I can't keep me on the step up my phone. Let me go. Look at her. Look here now, man.
Yo, go on, you would. Go on, man. If you lose your work, me don't know where you are going to go. Find somebody new. And you girl me have to find in the sun. You left it, you lose your job, you lose me, and I'm going to get somebody else. Workless.
I know where to go.
Is it?
Long story short, boyfriend just beat me for keep me out of my own house. Just because me tell him I lose my job. Me I go work too late. Me I fear everything in the house. Me have to go work and I go to bed late because he want me to stay up with him at night time and do whatsoever. I expect him to wake up early and man time to come back and work, come back and do his set thing. If days then come like he just repeat over and over, me I get the box and kick and lick down and top of it.
So who no your parents for you?
I
Me not understand.
But I don't understand how him up parents at for the place now when me gone.
Are you their parent time?
Me a parent, me a buy food, me a give him money. He want Hennessy, me have to find money, me have to dig up money in some place me never yet go yet.
You want what?
The man will tell me say, if you go out there go sell me front and get money if you can't come give if you buy Hennessy.
I say bossy.
Then no matter what I go out there and kill a man, your front, wow, me I go do that,
Alright,
you
yeah.
go do it.
Don't talk. Let's see it. Where you going now?
Me don't know. Me don't know what happened and what time I go stay tonight. Me don't know where to go.
Come near me at the mail. Can't talk about this car.
Pussy come
And
down here and beat me
no.
on top of it.
Me and my friend again.
And I'm a friend.
I'm don't know if you need to tell you or not. But what day I come over there and cuss me off, tell me I say me and him a friend again.
You need therapy, you know. Me think something wrong with him brain, I swear.
So, when you come down to me, you know, we can talk about it. So, when you want to come down there?
Come down, because I'm not no other choice.
Alright, come on.
Afraid.
I'm afraid him, I'm not feeling now. Come down to my yard. I tell you. And if you do come down there, I now go sit down and make him put your hand on you. Come on.
You can't back me things, but again, I'm not telling you that there's a dead somebody.
No man, you can't do nothing, just with talk.
What do you mean you can't? Them not have so much box and kick and let down me get? And they fist me in my mouth. My mouth start bleed, my teeth lick out, and tear on us lick out. So I box and give me. You want less and it swell up.
Come, and everything is dark and with a bush of vase and...
I'm just say last thing. Other day do something again. Like my person, I have job partner, right? Look, but to save up for college because I need to further my education, right? Yeah. So basically, I tell him say I start pay the partner woman, right?
Oh, yeah,
only if you know exactly, only if you know so that you care me go down and the woman go share me, box me down in front of him and say, collect your money now. And I have to collect back all of the money from him. I know me shame. The woman there round table, the woman there round table with all of her friends them. But all the time I gone, man, I just see them start to laugh, me shame. I don't know what else to do right now. In there, I'm wicked. Wicked. You don't deserve me, you know? I'm like that, don't
wonder
if
a twin father now never did in a picture or what make him grow so.
If it's
because me and him grow together and me never know say so in space.
If you know say you have a mother, you would like a man treat your mother like this. You have sister.
You nah look on
you would like.
You have little sister grow up right now.
That's the reason why his family them cut him off because his mother look for him and give him 10,000, which are 20 ask his mother for.
I saw him stay, man.
And in this same mother, I say you to really do that kind of unless I'm gonna try and dig up $10,000 and give you.
He not appreciate same thing that day me I give him $50 me have.
Could I buy one bag juice and shop?
And he not appreciate the small things that my people give him. I'm ungrateful. Because enough time I do over my yard and he come check me. And he want food and I'm sure my mother food out of his pot and give me to eat. And he not appreciate nothing. He not look up on them that what me used to do for him. When me I go to school and he not get lunch money, I say, come on man. I make share my lunch money. Me buy one patty going at 2. Me buy one box food going at 2.
He's an ungrateful youth.
If he not have school shoes, because when my mother sent me to school, I 2 pair of shoes me used to get. You understand? And I give him one of them one time when he never had enough school shoes.
And he
stuff up it and give me because I my foot big and feel one. I stuff up it and give me to wear that guy school. And I tell my mother, say, and thief my school shoes. So I go on there and get pay a lick from my mother. Mother kill me with lick, bust up on my mouth. Yeah, so
you go through for him?
Just because me rate him from where I grew up.
Well,
just to make him get the school shoes.
Yeah, he's not worth a family, nor a friend, nor a woman in his life. He not worth nobody in his life. He only needs himself.
Man just around everybody from around his circle. We're good people, genuine people.
We can't hardly walk around, everybody take me as the youth beating machine. Every time when he feel like he hand there, like he just come fling it on me so.
Boy.
When he hand them get too heavy, he just drop it on me.
Come on, we'll go talk about this tomorrow.
Oh, still nice.
No, like,
I never ever said that even cheer
comfortable, that's it. So,
TV.
we'll finish with the talk about it now. so.
What's me I say? He's not a good person.
He might beat you. You never report to your station yet.
If me ever gonna do that, they kill me. Because see, them a police nowadays. One time I got the station and report something like, for instance, your boyfriend then or someone might beat you, and them stuff there. I go report that. They might leave him with a warning, and the warning what they might leave him with now.
It will make you worse.
Exactly. Matters when
Them now,
kill
what
me
did
and
they?
just matters when you kill me and just go on that prison and just run off.
Boy, but I think you should have reported though. That's the best way because you don't know what could have happened. You understand? And you could have tell them say it's been going on for months.
I'm not so brave for that, right? I'm not even going to walk away from my clothes then. Making you keep it. You must say me if you go and go fight me lose the job, so I lose him and I lose the house. So him say I'm going to get some other girl put it on the place and me if you go find the next man. So the girl where am I get? So the girl where am I get now?
With him so long. You feed him, you wash him clothes,
everything.
you cook for him, you give him money.
If he's sick, me send him go a doctor.
Everything.
12 years, and that is the next
You know
thing.
what a man would have glad for a woman like you.
12 years, that's if the doctor I don't want to go. If he's sick, he want me to make sure he put extra money on pay a doctor if he come to him. King life, he want to live.
I just help you.
Help me. Him don't know nothing.
Instead, he might bring you down. And that's why I fall out, you know. Because I go over there and I tell him, say, if you look at work. Just look at work, no man, I help you out. I see you there talk about this look at work and help your girlfriend, man.
In this
Help
matter,
one, each one help one.
in time I say me and the woman, so me, if you go look the work and feed him and do everything. Only thing you wonder about him
But you
and
know,
as
say
man
by
right
right doing
and
it.
drink anything.
A man is the breadwinner of the house.
I know that.
Anybody who is wearing the pants and the leather belt in the house are them supposed to provide for the female, or if they have a young one coming up, they can provide for the family.
Well, him don't know nothing about them something there. Me even bring, when me go work other day, like something, you know, like when I day, or supermarket, some things them, when I do it too long, them will get stale.
Yeah.
So, it never really steal like we are stealing, but they kind of get steal. So they say they must just give it to the staff, them and some people. So basically, me get 4 beer, 2 Coca-Cola, 2 small one them, 1 big shrimps and 1 water. I'm gonna bring home and some surprise for him, and I was so happy to give him them. But the moment he turn around and see them, you fling the ships off of the bed, my pop and go up the other one them. Because my thoughts of him, they fling the canned drinks them, the beer them, they would have scat up on the ground and me I forgot to run.
And look, can you have your home then the female?
Exactly.
And you there work and you still a look out for him. Right through. And that this is going to repair you.
All me can say, me try my best and do what I want me to do.
Something. You love him?
If me never love him, I want to stay with him. Me love him.
All my beat you and I go through, you love him same way.
Yes, me think I just expressing love to me, but me guess he just did I use me. I swear.
Boy, if I saw him expect your love to you, I say once somebody expects love to you,
No.
I back to you.
But
Well,
I get fed up.
which way I go sleep, then we can put you out.
I don't know, I just go and walk. And when I end up, I just
You have no
end up
family down here? Or your family down up the line?
up in line. They're not even tell me something to go up, they're going to give them steal something. Because they're in need feet, I wonder. So me look funny, so where they him not in need feet too. Him more than in need feet because what? He don't have a job. Him do not have a job until he do a eat and drink and lay down in the bed and sleep and beat me.
Oh boy.
I think say I want this year, come my foot right there so. He not feel lift a pain. And me have to lift everything. He must have burden upon my back alone. Him not have nothing to do.
No, cause if you pay rent, it's not easy.
You know,
If you
easy.
pay a light bill, what it could be out, over there when you pick current bill.
Hey, he run for the light right through the day. And then me have to pay it. Other day, the landlord come for money. And me, the last money when me have, me have to look on them and say, that's all I'm part of them. Me try and make her get it. But it is a lucky thing that me call me auntie overseas. And she answer me call and me tell her when me I go through. Say, me not tell her box and kick and let down when me I get them. Me tell her say me go through a rough time. Me not have food. Me can't pay my light bill.
Explain to her.
Me explain to her about everything. And she send me 100,000. And to clear off everything, I did $30,000. So, I make sure I give the landlord 30,000.
You have 70,000.
And the rest of money, I put it down, and I make you know about it. I don't make you know nothing about it. Make you just feel like say that the money they alone.
Yeah, if make you know for true. But so you can use that, you can buy some clothes. But you what I'm going to do? You can go and stay out of so for the meantime till you get somewhere. You understand? You can stay here so because.
So your woman not gonna have a problem with it?
No man, me not no woman. I'm alone live here.
Him not normally talk to your woman or something.
No man, that about my ex.
Oh.
Almost my ex here matter about. Me not no woman. I'm alone there. Me is alone. Me work. Come back home. Me not gonna know it. Only on Sunday, you might take a walk go down on the beach or we go to church or in the evening, me go eat one look at ice cream. I think nothing funny about me buy a look at ice cream and me sit down and watch one look a movie and popcorn. You know we go on Sunday daytime.
Yeah. So I'm going to try to get to a job because I can't just catch your place like that. So
no man, you're alright man, just take a little time and do what you do. Me have pillow can give and maybe later me give one shit here. You want to lie down now on the pillow?
No, alright. Later me get it. Alright, so
not going up there?
Yeah, I just want to play game on phone.
Alright, so you go there, eat ready?
Me never eat
anything there in the kitchen, man. Anything just make you more you feel like you're there, like you're here, right? So anything you see in there, just look bored.
You have the money in my waist, so anything I'm taking there, so I will.
No man, I say, alright, it's good.
But when I go make sure, I still don't put money towards it because.
No man, you want to do too much money.
I hold me,
you tell me say good, it's good. I don't want to do no, you alright?
And the left where I come from.
You start a new chapter, alright? So I don't pressure you. Because if you look boss up, you look boss up and you do this, alright? Yeah. I'm going this.
Look at stress come off my brain.
Morning. Morning, alright?
Morning.
Alright, so today you have what to do. Today, I have some work to do with, alright? So, I'll carry get some clothes. Then I'll give a key so you can come back home and get something for you, alright?
Alright.
I want to give you money, you will get what you want.
Well,
Now, without that better still, no?
I
think.
send it have money to buy the clothes.
No, I'm not talking about your money, I'm talking about me. I do a favor out of my heart. I'm not talking about your money. You understand? So, whole of food, the whole of tin food, if it's full of meat, can't do. Chicken neck, turkey neck, pork, oxtail, you name it. saltfish, everything like beef, everything with it. Anything you want, you can look about, alright? So, you can wash your face in the bathroom and come back. So, you can carry it home.
Alright.
You like you know, sleep with pillow do it cold? Because you have it on your foot.
When I lay down on the pillow, you come and say my neck there.
Oh, so go on and come and put on my shirt.
Alright.
Like I said, you do good. I'm good to follow like that. You know, that do my day. Why? Ready now? Go.
Well, I'm gonna go on hairstyle, I can't change because.
Well, you see, you can take care of yourself more. Eh?
Let me get some clothes. There. Auntie, good evening. No, I'm okay. You okay? Just the call of you. I just do want to tell you some things I'm gonna go through and stuff and see how you could have helped me out in my situation. Alright, so I'm gonna start now. So basically, alright, I'm gonna start from top. So it's like meet this guy, right? And all of a sudden, he treat me good for around 5 days, I guess. Think around 5 days, he treat me good for since my meeting. Then further in the relationship now, he start treat me like rubbish. Like, me have to do everything when he say. Him no work. I am the one who work and provide for the both of us. Me have to pay a light bill, rent, everything. No, auntie, not with him anymore. Well, but they say, would I like, alright, me did want a friend of my education, but I don't know how you could have helped me with in that situation there. I don't know how your pocket stay, but I don't want to pressure you. Which me did save some money, and the youth me I talk about, he make me have to draw back all of the money and give him because he kill me with liquor and it don't easy rough. So basically I don't have any money to further my education. I'm just there calling and asking what you could have done to help me. And in the longer run, when time I go through with everything, I will repay you back. No, auntie. It's a friend place me I stay now. You run with my own place, so I guess me never have nowhere else to go. So I was walking and him own a friend which him said they are friend, yeah. In cuss him off one bag of something. So the youth are tell me in cuss him off, in go over there to give my money, in fingering in face and one bag of something. So him and a friend again, and the youth say me can sleep on the couch until me get some good for stay. And he treat me very nice. Better than how my ex did treat me. No, look a flow me have met my son, so man. Alright then. So all this about the thing I did ask about. For real, auntie? You send more big money, I'm gonna have to pay you back? No, this come like a dream come true. Thank you very much. Actually, I don't even know where to do for me right now. Thanks. Alright, then you're. Alright, that's word. Alright, then when I reach in, just call me back. Yes. Okay, take care. Alright.
Oh. Feeling.
Good evening.
Yeah,
Alright. But call me auntie, right? That's how I'm going. No, the same auntie might talk about the overseas. I call her and tell her some more further my education, but I don't have any money. And she said she will take care of all of that for me, and she sent me a big money so I can take care of all of that. And I'm excited, and she said me not even pay her back because me did mention say in the longer run I would like to pay her back, but she said me not have to pay her back, so that's a big opportunity. Really.
Well, but still, can't get her money in the longer run.
No, I will.
Yeah.
Give her something in the longer run. Me not just take her money like that and not give her
So you
something.
have to go to college.
Yes, I am going to go to college.
It's a good look at see. It's a new chapter.
And I really deserve it.
Starting
Like
a
really.
new chapter. God, sister, you never did for them around him. God make him push out, you know. God. Everything happen for a reason. But I want to ask you something. And I know if you ever feel a way or I don't know what you going to say, but it depends on my mind from morning, my day work, it depends on my mind.
So what's that?
To me hear him treat you and him manangle you, beat you, him do all sorts of something to you. We can't
I'm
tell
just lucky because I'm.
yeah. Oh,
Huh?
name not come up on.
No, I don't know who. But it's lucky because I say I can't.
As me there say, me no like when you used to treat you.
Well, me never like it. I don't want to stop
way
work with it.
you tell me from the first night, I've been a think about you and I want to say it to you in the morning. Then I say it to you because I'm afraid of what you're going to say. I don't know if you're going to look for me or where or what. But me tell you the honest truth. I like you. And mother really likes you. We start a relationship. And I promise you, I'll be there right there, so I will treat you better than no one they treat you. I promise you that. I really like you because you're one good girl. So my time, a man not even know what they got.
Until they lose it.
Sometimes they get a box with treasure, full of treasure, but it's true, they no go through and take the time and pull the box. They never know, so they give you a box full of treasure.
Well,
And you are the box and give you full of treasure in this. And you is a gold mine.
well, to be honest, so far, I know you're a way better person than him, and if I give another man a chance in my life, maybe I think would be you. Isn't it so? I think about you until later, or
Mom, do you want to answer? No. You can't get the answer now. I'm not pressure your brain now, but no, you can't get the answer now.
well, alright then. I think I'll give you a chance to open a serious relationship. Serious.
Promise you, you're not going to regret this. I promise you from my heart, you're not going to regret this, yeah?
Make sure, cause
You're not going to regret this. I'm going to treat you way better. Matter of fact, later, I'll carry you out. Make you enjoy yourself.
you know if you do that.
No, I'll make you point and do it, so I'll carry you out. Yeah?
Alright.
You're nice, yes. I'll take care of me. You said me not go through my brain, made that hurt me. As I say, yes, a while ago, it's like one big heavy load dip on me and you just lift up. I've been think about it from morning. Anyway, I'll go in my room. It's a air lie down. I made that right. So you come in the front lie down?
Well, you can watch TV or something.
Yeah, we know you can come in. Yeah?
Alright, man, let's go there now.
Alright, come. Then you big bite.
Oh, yeah, they will buy. Thanks.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, no, I see a little burn up on the it can be all over the place. Sure. I'm tired.
Well, today's the last day with me. Oh my.
So I can't go enjoy yourself, no?
I go to college tomorrow.
You prepare for it, I think you prepare for it.
Yeah, I'm prepared for it because a long time. It's my dream, so yeah, I'm prepared for it.
Yeah, and just anything I do there, just remember God.
Anything I do at home, just know what I do.
You know, you know, man, yeah, that about. You know, nothing. I'm me alone over there. Right, too.
So you know how long I just stay up there, right?
No, I'll call it every day, I'll call it.
Every day.
You can help you study everything you do. I'll help you right through the journey. I'm going to do that with you.
I come back, I told you,
Yeah.
nothing I break that.
Nothing will change.
Okay.
It's like you just go up on a little trip and come back. I'm out there, see you right through.
Well, I'm packed bag already from last night.
Yeah.
And,
You have finished packing back them, you know.
I only have one more bag to pack with me, like, when I bring like cologne and stuff. But I have a lot of things. I have some more things to buy. But I need to bring
You can never get them night on before you come up.
No,
Instead
we
of
can't
walking.
get one morning.
You know, leave.
Yeah, when I leave, we can just stop and buy them.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a new journey I go on. Remember, as I say, pray. If you are good to an exam, pray first. Just pray and God will guide you and give you the knowledge and the strength to do anything you do. You pray. Alright? Yeah. So what time you leave out in the morning?
See, I leave early, around 8 o'clock.
Okay. I was surprised to get still, but not sure yet.
But yeah, so tomorrow?
Yeah, in the morning, so.
Yeah.
I have something for you tonight.
My belly full, guys.
No, your belly full, no, God. When we say you have that big old cake there we give.
Cake and ice cream with me.
No, sir. Now look something with it. Remember if I want egg or something, nuggets. Nuggets in left back in the fridge?
Yeah. You want me to look what you
No, man, still not enjoy it. Calm down. Remember, say, you have got college tomorrow, you know, you have pressure your brain. Just relax.
Alright then.
I'll cook something for you too. If you're hungry later.
Alright, maybe let's put up with that microwave.
Alright.
Alright. God answer my prayer. But I'm really pretty up my hair right now because I'm late, bad. And then now I got school.
Man, something there give me there for you.
Huh?
Something there give me and for you.
What's that? Help them cool hair simple.
Sit there.
Yeah, do you want that one laptop?
Yeah. Brand new laptop.
Brand new?
Brand new laptop.
You know what I really didn't need around here? Can't put assignment and planning and
Everything. Brand new. You must set up yet so when you reach though, you have to set up everything.
Thank you. Really
You
appreciate
just want to have everything in place, so when I shot and nothing off, you borrow nobody's laptop. You have your own
Thanks.
thing, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More about come here
Um,
because we're
You can put this in your pocket too. The 5 grand. And put this in your pocket.
You know you have to do all of this, right?
No, but me make you say you're alright, more you're alright.
But they tell us that my auntie pay for tuition fee, right?
Yeah, man, the one in there, so I talk about that, man. You know,
Just be sure and certain.
yeah.
I put the money in.
Well, I carry this shirt too.
That, yeah, me I bring it to call me here.
I'm going to put in here.
Because we need to never go buy at least around 3 more than me to serve me.
You want me give more money?
No, baby, I said my auntie left money in bank account to serve me up there, so
Oh.
I'm okay. You have money and things, right? Before
Yeah, man, me alright, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
make
man,
sure
me
not
alright.
because you know why you give me all your money and I have nothing. Make sure. You have money in your bank
Hello?
account?
Yeah, man, she a come, man.
My taxi?
I love for those, yeah.
My driver?
Alright. You say, come from the front, come.
Where is that phone? I don't know where you're going. Okay, I'm okay.
Come on, man.
This Monday.
Hold that. You didn't tell me say I'm coming.
Just didn't want to surprise you.
When I see you, that's why you're back home.
I really miss you. Bad no. Look how long. Oh my.
You call long, man. And that's when you called me this morning. Because I knew you come home.
Yeah, surprise you.
Why?
It's the whole life when I'm gone.
Well, I feel like a part of me gone every day, but I feel bad, but I feel good, say, I still talk to you every minute, right?
Well,
I feel like I make sure you're
I'm
good.
not going anywhere.
Yeah, alright.
So I'm here for the rest.
Everything work out good, as you say. So, how your auntie do? She alright? Because
No,
what they do tell me say she's sick.
She's doing well now. She did at the hospital and she get her treatment them and stuff, so she'll carry on well.
That's good to hear that she alright. And she, you see that, you know, waste her money apart, everything.
Exactly. Don't waste her money.
Right.
She believe in me. Yeah, family always believe in me.
So, you work with you, tell me about now. Where you work go?
Oh,
Can you say
that
as
again. Me get through with that.
you get through?
Okay.
I lie, I tell.
And I'm get through with flying colors.
So when you go start work?
Next week.
Say,
Next week, Monday.
next week? Well, like say, even if that you get a good work in the airport, and I know the airport they not give you out to work, saying it take very long.
I know that.
So my time when they have job fair, hundreds of people go down there.
Because
And only 1% of them get through so my time.
they work with people who have brain.
Yeah. But you pass the course with flying colors. Colors.
Good, that's what I say.
Flying colors you pass the course with. Why? I'm happy say you come back and you're alright. I'm there and everything all good. So come in and go pack up your clothes and
You can bring something.
bring it. Alright. You take care of suitcase.
Yeah. So my car's in the room, you don't know what I'm saying. I'm there driving there, so. Alright.
No, run. Yeah, alright, sis. Just want to know your back safe. Ah. Yeah, Gregory. Yeah, yo, just send one little youth come here, man. We know about the work. Because I can't believe say me give the contract, my wife gave the contract to build the place, right? And you know finish the place properly. The water, we can't even flush the toilet. And so when people go on the money, man, the money get to no head, man. Send one little youth come start out and finish pipe up the place good, man. Because we need to start, we need a movie, you know. Yes. Because even one funeral for that man and our auntie need to come down and stay in my place. Because I remember say me have my place. And I don't want she stay in my place. That. Yeah. So send one local youth, any local youth, we are work with her or whatever, send them come make them pipe up the place. Finish pipe up the place. You no matter how much money they want, me pay them. Or my wife will pay them. Yeah, so might be me not there. So if you would come and see me, and my wife there, alright? Yeah.
Hello.
No, sir. How you do ya? Anyways, come out and people them place, cause a man send for come do plumbing. He said the plumbing tool them the under the counter.
So where
You
they?
come like a watch here, watch me.
So
Everywhere
where
me go, me see you. Look how
Me
long
can't-
me not see you now.
Shut up, me can't
I'm running
see
out of my
you.
life and me still a see you. You're crossing, you know, sorry. Come out and place.
Look here, me address you right now. You're a plumber, right? Oh, I'm gonna be
Oh, so I say you're set now.
I'm live here at my house this. So I'm gonna see if I
So
can.
all along when you come on my yard and I tell me say, Ray, are you want her?
It look like I just eat it then say.
So this friend thing come to her now.
You run me to my house once and I run me to my house twice.
I'm going to reverse the car.
Alright then, babe. Alright, go on.
Yo, me no bother want to
So
work
if-
do.
But me name
Remember what you do here.
Remember what you do. Remember what you
You
do.
better run the fryer here.
Run the
Remember
fryer?
that. You better run the fryer.
You never know, say you have something good until you lose it. I know you lose it and you want to come back. Oh, please, get rid of yourself. So we say,
Me get some of this on the road. Me I got a car. Yeah?
alright then, do that. Me
Alright.
just go lie down. Oh, please.
Give thanks to you watching it today, you know what I mean? Give thanks. As you can see, this story is a very, very powerful story. And you watch it to the end, so you must have a full understanding of what's going, of what will happen. What happened in a movie. Alright? You realize that he had a box of treasure and he gave it away just like that. You understand? They were saying say Kona knew the use of him tail until him lose it. So him lose him tail. Right? And now in the end him never realized say that tail grow back into a whole cow. You understand? That tail grow back, him start a new chapter by himself right all over from scratch. From scratch. So what I want to do, know that this is a life lesson. Anything you want in life, if your partner not go with it, I don't think it will work out. I don't think that's a good relationship. If the both of you have to agree and it's alright, we are going to build something together. Then one want to build something and another want to break it down, alright? So that's not a good relationship. So my advice, if that's going on, it's not gonna go for long. So try to enjoy the movie. If you never comment down below now and make me know what go on. I want your honest feedback on this movie. Alright? If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now and like the video. Until then, see you in the next movie.